welcome to Vlogtober day 30. Today's gonna be really fun. Lucas and I are gonna grab a pumpkin spice latte, and then we're gonna drive around and try to see as many Halloween decorations in Church Hill neighborhood as possible. We did Museum District the other day, so we thought we'd give Church Hill a try. Maybe head to the park, a little bit of views, maybe get some ice cream later. It's just gonna be a cute little fall foliage decoration day.
Yeah, we also did early voting.
Oh yeah, we voted, so that's done, which is cool. And if you guys want to go vote early, you just head to City Hall, bring your ID, and you vote.
It's really
that easy.
Yeah. It took like 5 minutes.
5 minutes, maybe less. I don't know, but let's go get that coffee.
Let's do it.
Decaf, of course. You know how we are. Pumpkin spice latte decaf with oat milk secured. Oh, they're so good from Riverbend. Not too sweet. Good pumpkin spice flavor. Feeling it.
Okay, so right now near Riverbend Roastery, there's some decorations out. Got the cool skeleton with the little hat. Got some, I feel like you have to really pay attention because a lot of the decorations are like hidden or secret. It's almost like Halloween decoration Easter eggs. You gotta find the good stuff. Sometimes there's some deeper meanings in the stuff too, which I find to be cool.
What's this discovery? General Joseph E. Johnson, Confederate States Army, desperately wounded at the Battle of Seven Pines, was brought to the Crenshaw residence, standing on this block and nursed to recovery. It's just a marker that was placed by the Confederate Memorial Literary Society in 1915. That is
One
random.
of these houses, huh?
Sometimes in Richmond, you just have to look down or up or read the plaques off of houses. There's so many historical markers around town. And honestly, I've never seen that before, and we've been here over 20 times.
And that time I saw it and the leaves were on top of it, which is funny because usually they aren't.
Yeah, that's funny. Huh.
So I want to do this next year. Like, it's so cool with your flagpole. You can just hang a creepy thing on there. So that's what's happening on this one. I wish there was a way somehow to have like a perfectly hot pumpkin spice latte from every Richmond coffee shop next to each other on a table and taste test them to figure out which one's the best. But that's not possible because they wouldn't all be perfectly hot.
I don't know, but that would have been a good Vlogtober episode. Too bad there's only one more day left.
True.
Or 2 more days left, actually.
We could get friends to all go around and pick up one
I don't
each.
think, well, the problem is that not every coffee shop in town has a pumpkin spice latte. And then secondly, not every shop in town has a pumpkin spice latte that's vegan.
And decaf.
Or they don't do decaf, yeah. So it's kind of like, there would only be a couple, I think, in that.
I don't know how much people would like that review on your channel. They're like, here's the best vegan decaf pumpkin spice latte.
Yeah, see, I don't know if we're the right people for it, but it's a good idea. On Instagram, Churchill Neighborhood posted a list of all the haunted Halloween decorated houses tour. Anyway, so we're going to try to hit some of those up and drive to them. And then go to Chimborazo Park, which is right next to Libby Hill Park. And we've never been because we always just go to Libby, but I heard the views from there are pretty cool too, and that there's a Statue of Liberty there, Lucas.
Whoa, what?
Yeah, and like a hospital museum from Civil War times.
Whoa.
Kind of an interesting park that we haven't been to. Anyway, so let's go to the first house, see what it looks like. We have found our first house, and it is glorious. Look at all the details.
I love the hanging, like, ghosts and skeletons and stuff like that. And I feel like there's more that we need to explore. I saw some stuff that was on the ground too.
Show us. We'll walk with you.
The spider legs are coming out of the potion. So I think spider's part of the recipe.
Wow, I love it.
Oh, there's eyeballs in the plant.
Oh yeah, this one's really fun. It's just a lot of hanging stuff, which I appreciate. We made it to the second house.
This house has a human barbecue. They have a barbecue with human body parts on it.
There's also construction happening, so you might be able to hear it behind us, but
the door is also really scary.
Oh my gosh, and I love all the hanging like things.
They have a sign that says no trespassing. We're tired of hiding the bodies.
No.
Yep.
No. Okay, that little touch got me, I'll admit. Found another Ghostbusters house. It's different than the one from the Museum District, but it has some fun touches for sure. None of that interactive, situation from Museum District though. Okay, there's a dog. There's a dog that's barking, but we just had to show you guys this one right here. Where the zombie or something just got stabbed. Oh my gosh, look how cute this house is. I can't stand it. And the Halloween decor just goes with it, Look at that ghost just wafting in the wind. The R.I.P. tombstones.
They have a cool bat up there.
Where? Oh my gosh, I didn't even see the bat.
Yeah,
There's like a bat and a spider in the corner there. I also just love the woodwork on the porch. Homes in Richmond are some of the most gorgeous I've ever seen. Like, this is a good example. Also wanted to mention, again, I will leave the location to all the houses that we're seeing in the description so you can drive by too. I know you probably will only have like a day or two to see them before they take them down, but
get in your car, and drive.
Either way. I'm sure those same houses have good Christmas decorations.
True.
You know?
Usually they go hand in hand.
Okay, so we are here at the park, and there's a placard here about Chimborazo Hospital. In this park, Dr. James McCaw, oh my gosh, developed for the Confederate States of America a military hospital, which is then the largest in human history. It received 17,000 wounded, served more than 76,000 patients, and had a mortality of less than 10%. Dr. McCaw was its commandant and medical director, Mrs. John Minge, its chief matron. Yeah, Dr. McCaw, probably related to the Dr. McCaw who butchered the autopsy of George Wythe back in the early 1800s. Or was he really young in the early 1800s and then really old? No, it must be his son.
Must be.
Yeah, the McCaws, man. All right, we're standing in front of the medical museum. I feel like it would be so interesting. It's a museum dedicated to Civil War medicine, which I feel like is interesting. But I don't know when it's open. I think it must have like odd hours. It's probably only open on the weekends and maybe not even during the winter time, so not sure. Wait, what's it say? It says open Wednesday. What? Just Wednesday? Oh, it says open Wednesday through Sunday. Huh. Wow, it says open Wednesday through Sunday, 9 to 4:30, and the admission is free. Wow, we could totally come someday.
Good.
That's so cool. I love that. That's really up our alley. We should come back for sure. So on this 40-acre area, like where this park is pretty much located, was where the Chimborazo Hospital used to be. And it is huge. I don't know if you can see it back there, but look at all the buildings. It was the largest and best known Civil War military hospital, apparently. We've done it. We found the Statue of Liberty.
Yep, Ellis Island right over there. The skyscrapers right over there.
Yeah, it's about the same size, don't you think?
Yeah, and you can walk up it too.
Okay. What's it say? What does the plaque say? Like, why is this here? They put this as the 40th anniversary of the crusade to strengthen the arms of liberty in 1950. What's that even mean? We're not sure. The Boy Scouts in 1950 put this up. So there you go. There is a Statue of Liberty in Virginia. Little known fact.
So do you think when it was first made it was bronze like the original Statue of Liberty, or do you think they made it green to match the way the Statue of Liberty looks now?
I don't know. It looks like the green's accidental, honestly. But the other one's copper. I don't know if this one's copper. It is small, so maybe it could be copper. Like,
copper, that's
you know?
what it is. But then there's the torch is still really gold.
The torch is gold. It's a mystery. The sun is in that weird position where like it's making everything bright and the lighting is awful. But anyway, the view from up here is pretty epic.
Yeah.
Like you can see the
James
River and across the...
Yep.
You can see Blue Atlas like over there.
Oh, you can.
So that's where this park is located. Yeah, so the views are pretty good from up here.
Yeah.
I think it would be a solid sunset.
You can see the train?
Yeah, you can see a little bit of the Lucky Strike. I don't know. This is a
During
very...
the winter, I think you could see downtown.
I was going to say, this is a very epic view, but I would say Libby Hills is better in my opinion, but this is very, very cool.
It's very cool. Let's
Yeah,
see this
wow. Isn't this like the famous rock? I think it's the famous rock. Oh, okay, it's not the famous rock. Yeah, it's just a rock to say that this is where the hospital was located on this hill.
They have another rock.
This would have been the view that they looked out from the hospital. Wow. Okay, this is the iconic stone. The Powhatan Stone, an old Indian stone removed from and now overlooking Powhatan Seat, a royal residence of King Powhatan when Captain John Smith and his fellow adventurers made the first permanent English settlement in this country at Jamestown, Virginia, 1607. Powhatan Seat was the residence from 1726 to 1865 of the ancestors of Peter Mayo, by whose daughters this stone was presented to the Association for the Preservation of Virginia Antiquities. I feel like the information on that stone is written confusingly. But from what I've read before about this stone was that this stone supposedly existed where the King Powhatan or the Chief of Powhatan lived when John Smith came to Richmond in 1607. And also I heard that there's legend that this is where he sat or like he put his foot on or something iconic with the chief. And then apparently the stone was taken by Peter Mayo and like existed at his house, and that where Powhatan used to live is where Peter Mayo's mansion was, I think. But I gotta look up more information about this or ask my friend who works at the History Museum because, yeah, I feel like the plaque is very misleading and confusing, honestly.
It is confusing.
But there is something about this stone that's important. I mean, I'd live up here. You can see so far. You can see when people are coming to attack or, you know, like who's coming down the river and stuff. So it makes sense that somebody would live here. And also it makes sense that Peter Mayo would be like, I like this spot. I'm gonna build a mansion here. Yeah, I can really imagine this place like back in the day. It's such a good hill. It's so massive. Like, it's huge. It's way bigger than Libby Hill. And I feel like a lot of historical things must have happened here. Obviously the hospital and the Powhatan Stone, but like more that's not known. We decided to go to Spotty Dog because our favorite flavor like ever, Choco Cake, which is chocolate ice cream with chocolate cake chunks. It's vegan. It's incredible. And we're afraid that they might change the flavors at Halloween. What?
We have a free, we have a punch card.
Oh, we gotta go get it.
Okay, I'm gonna go get it.
We gotta get it. And apparently now we have a free scoop from punch cards. Guys, it's a great day to get ice cream, I tell you.
I was wrong. We actually have a punch card at Scoop that's finished, but
false alarm. We
can still keep going with this one.
Guys, Choco Cake was already gone.
Yeah.
I know. I cannot believe it either. But we got Frankenstein's matcha, which is really good. It's matcha with Oreo cookies. And then we got cookies and cream, which is vanilla with Oreo cookies. So we got Oreo cookies with 2 different types of ice cream, but it's delicious. And they give you real spoons when you get it for here, which we like.
This one's really good. I don't know if I'm like a matcha person. I still like it.
I haven't had this in a second, but I can't believe it's already gone.
I know.
But I did like this flavor last time I tried it, so. I love the taste of matcha, so I'm a huge fan, but it makes sense that Lucas is kind of like not into it. Because it's like, you either like matcha or you don't, I think. And I love it. We are back in the car and we are headed to check out a couple more Halloween decoration houses. And then we have to head back home to make some dinner. Yes, we had ice cream before dinner. Who are we? We're crazy today, everybody.
You know, we're living on the edge.
For sure. Yay, it's that time of day where the lights are on. So the first few houses we saw, it was too bright out and the lights weren't on yet, but now they're on. I feel like that's really Halloween, you know? When the vibes and the lights come out. This one is teamwork. It is literally a duplex who did this together, which I love. Look at all the fun elements. I love the bats on the background, orange lighting, some witches' hats.
I like the nets with the
skeleton
lights on the bushes.
Oh yeah, we need nets for bushes. And that little like cemetery situation going on down there. Okay, so we got a little cute greenhouse here, which you know I love, and they've got a story going on in this tree.
Yep. They have a good graveyard.
Yeah, I was gonna say there's a graveyard situation going on here, and then I don't know what the story is in that tree. I love how these skeletons are at the fence there, and then there's like a couple, you know, gravestones down here in the front yard. It's very cute. It's subtle, but adorable. Adorbs. All right, look how cute this one is. Also, I just love how many stairs it takes to get to the top. Yeah. But this house is so cute.
It is.
I love this like story right here, which is super creepy, but then it gets to being like vibes with the pumpkins, but then you see the spider and you're like, what? And then there's a little ghost sticking out next to the fence. Or I guess it is a fence, yeah. Next to the balcony. And then, what's over here? Let's see. Oh, there's a little skeleton party going on. There's a little cemetery vibe. Fake lantern? Oh, it's little touches for me. I love that they put in that fake lantern though. It's cute. There's another ghost peeping out. There's actually a skeleton sitting up on the... Look at these arms just like coming up out of the ground. We need to do this too, Lucas.
I would like that.
We had that one skeleton person, which was cute and subtle, but this is crazy and I love it. Okay, this is our last house we have time for, but look, on the bottom level, they have like little pumpkins in the windows speaking.
That's really cool.
Or like dancing or something. And then I really like this lit up spider web. I haven't seen a lit up spider web, have I?
I don't know.
I don't
Seems
know.
New.
I like that. Also, this house is like 3 levels, and it looks like the basement almost is the level you enter, which I think is really interesting.
Yeah.
I also like the purple lights that are streamed on. They're like purple fang lights. Oh, on the top you can't see them. Actually, there are like hanging guys at the top. So each level has its own story. I appreciate that. So Churchill houses are subtler than Museum District. I feel like the Museum District ones are like crazy, but I like the subtlety and I like the vibe. I like the difference. It was really cute.
Same.
Some of them were pretty crazy.
Yeah.
But I think we only got to like a fourth of the list that was on the Churchill Association's Instagram account, but it was really cute walking around and seeing them and stuff. But we have to be somewhere tonight. 6:26. We
don't have much time.
We don't have like any time to eat, so I don't know what we're gonna do, but hopefully this video is not too short and I might have another scene at the end. I don't know, because we're gonna go see Shucked at Altria Theater and you can't film for those performances, so it seems like pointless kind of to vlog it for you guys to be like, hi, we're going in. Wow, it was great, sort of thing. So maybe I'll stick some of that footage in. I don't know what the future brings, but we do have to get going. Otherwise we're gonna be late. I think it starts at 7:30, it's already 6:30, so we gotta go. We gotta go and then we gotta figure out what to eat and it's a whole thing. Okay. We've made it to Shucked.
The tickets flew out.
Literally clutch status. I'm filming a reel for Shucked, so I had like 15 minutes to do that because of time restraints. But I got it done. We think anyways. But we're excited to see it. Someone I follow on Instagram's in this theater production, so I'm like really excited to see them. Got a little popcorn. Lucas got a little champagne. It's gonna be a good time. It is going to be a great time, so I'm excited. This is a brand new musical, but it's supposed to be really popular and really funny. It's about a woman who has to leave her county because their corn is dying, and she travels to the city, and she's never been there before. She's only ever been in her small town, and I'm from Indiana, and I'm from a small town in Indiana, and I feel like I'm going to relate to this comedy a lot, because it is a comedy.
Yeah, I think so.
Plot thickens. We'll know more after we watch it. But yeah, we're super excited to watch. I know nothing really about this, so it's going to be a big surprise. Lucas knows nothing either, so that's fun. We love that. Altria Theater, if you've never been before, is absolutely gorgeous. It used to be a Shriner's temple, so it has like very interesting kind of like Moorish or like Middle Eastern elements, so like frescoes and like
Cool.
windows and carvings and stuff like that, which makes it really cool. We're obsessed. But yeah, look, it's like so Indiana, right? I feel like this is going to be my play, my musical.
I think so too.
But it starts in like 5 minutes, and I'm excited. Yeah. It looks like no one's in front of us. That would be amazing, because then I could like have the clearest view ever of the stage. Fingers crossed.
Yeah.
Hello and welcome back. We thoroughly enjoyed the show. It was very funny. And the music was pretty good too. I just really enjoy being at the theater. I love musical theater. I'm actually doing a full-length documentary film on musical theater right now. I've been working on it for the last 3 years, and it's almost done. If you didn't know, that's a random fact about me. So I just love it. I grew up on it. It's what made me, I guess you could say. It's absolutely fabulous. Today's show is awesome. I don't know if you remember back at the Halloween decorations in the previous scenes where I was like, we're going to get something to eat and then we're going to go. No, we got home, we got changed, and then we went to the theater. So we never ate. So the last time we ate was like, well, we had some popcorn at the theater, but
Right.
the last time we ate real food was when I got home from filming that reel, which you guys never saw that scene. But at like 1 o'clock or something, it's like 10:30. So we are starved. We are going to eat. This delicious tofu piccata is what we made. Why we made something from scratch, that's just who we are. Is it delicious, Lucas?
It's really good.
I love the sauce. We're going to finish watching Great British Bake Off. We started the episode yesterday, but we didn't finish it. And then we were going to go to sleep.
Yeah.
Oh no. But it was a fantastic day. It was really fun hanging out with Lucas and just walking around and enjoying all the Halloween decorations while we still could. Little pumpkin spice latte. We went and voted. We saw a beautiful show at the Altria Theater, which is gorgeous. And now we're having a delicious meal. But I hope you enjoyed today's video.
Yeah.
And 2 more days of Vlogtober, I think. So not too many left. But a lot of people are pretty sentimental in the comments about it ending. But someone had a really good idea to do 12 days of Vlogmas. So instead of the whole month, just do 12 days, which I was like, that's only 3 like episodes a week. That's pretty good. I might be able to do that. That might be sustainable for sure.
Yeah.
Instead of every day. But yeah, either way, I'll be back in November once a week probably.
Yeah.
How it used to be. I don't know. I don't know my life. We'll see what happens. My parents are visiting in November. It's about to get crazy again. Is it not crazy now? Anyways, it's been a lot of fun though, sharing like more of our lives and like every day with you. It's been absolutely fabulous. Tomorrow I'm going to do like a little review, recap thing about Vlogtober.
Favorite moments.
And then the day after is Halloween, so that's going to be fun. Anyways, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Like, subscribe, all that jazz. Vlogtober playlist is over there. Richmond playlist is there for easy viewing. Lovely viewing if you want to check that out and watch more stuff. And we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.